Welcome to Bayou Country. Join me for a ride on Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Tiana's Bayou Adventure continues the story of The Princess and the Frog. But if you haven't seen that movie, don't worry. The cue here will set everything up for you. Now, first of all, it is warning that this is a flume ride with a big drop. We're going to start out here in Tiana's office with her to-do list. And of course, we are in the late 1920s, early 1930s here, so you're going to be seeing that kind of tech, that kind of vibe here. Beignet party coming up, and take a look at this newspaper. That'll set it up for you. Tiana and Prince Naveen are throwing a big party, and they're going to need to find a band. So that's going to be kind of the story of the whole thing. Walking along, we're going to see a lot of photographs, news clips. They're going to tell us the story of Tiana, letting her know that she did, of course, as we saw at the end of The Princess and the Frog, achieve her dream of opening up that restaurant. She's become quite the chef, and now has started her own employee-owned food cooperative, Tiana's Foods. Let's speed up a little bit for this outdoor section, and then we'll head upstairs, where we're going to walk into the test kitchen at Tiana's Foods. We see this again in that early 20th century tech here, along with more press clippings and news, just kind of setting up the backstory of this beloved Princess Tiana Rogers. We see her last name here. Some of the awards that she's gotten. And then also really kind of interesting, just a little around the corner here, we're going to see that famous recipe of her father's that played importantly in the pause here. If you want to take a look at that, try it yourself. Played so much in the film. We've given the father a backstory here as a soldier, so that's part of Tiana's history as well. See some of the photos of her with her friends from the Bayou and her friends from New Orleans. And just again, more setting up the story of Tiana's Bayou Adventure, which is a story of the daughter of a soldier, modest beginnings, who made a wish, met a prince, was really, really good at cooking, independent of meeting the prince. But all of that did help lead her to be the leader of this Tiana's Food Cooperative. Again, another look at that in the queue right there. And we're going to head down into the final portion of the queue. If you remember Splash Mountain, all of this is very familiar. This, of course, is the re-theme of the old Splash Mountain. The theme here is that we are in a salt mine. So that explains why we've got this mountain down in the bayou. But anyway, we're just kind of moving along here. We're going to get a little view of the load area off to the right. And then a last little safety first, safety spiel here. Again, letting you know that there's going to be a big drop at the end of this ride. Now for a little bit of a drop, we're going to finish walking down through the caverns here into the load area, where the friendly cast members are going to direct us back to the final little bits here. Now obviously you'll probably have a queue of people waiting. Here's the warning sign in case you want to pause and take a look at that. And then we're going to hop on board and join me for an adventure on Tiana's Bayou Adventure.
Look at all these beautiful faces.
Hello? Any musicians down here who want to jam?
They can play.
Listen to